What we're going to do, you made
Two holes there.
two holes there. We're going to cut this out.
Yep.
And then I'm going to start with a new plate right from here. Go over top of this, eh?
Yeah.
All the way through. This is mostly broke out, so it shouldn't be too bad to cut. Well, it's 2 layers now, though, eh?
Yeah.
Fucking light shit and then heavy shit.
Because this, I was thinking I could just take these welds down on this back here. There's the hole here, eh? Anything back from there, just take this.
Yeah, but see how much they welded here?
That has to be cleaned
I have
up
to
too,
start right here
Yeah.
and go through.
That all has to be cleaned up
Yeah.
there.
But we can't do nothing in here for a simple reason is we need this for strength. Eh?
Right. Oh yeah.
So we have to cut this off here
Yeah.
and then take that sheet out. We'll have a coffee. And next thing, I have some 1/8 here. We'll put it on the sawhorse and I'll make a measurement. You mark it and we'll zip cut it to the size we want.
So Dad's got all the rotten ass metal cut out of there. Figuring it was going to be a couple-day job, but they got it done in 1 day.
See, this is
But you can see underneath here. So they didn't actually have to take off the tracks, which is a good thing because they're a hell of a issue to get them back on again.
grind this shit off and we make a plate there.
The way the customer had it before, they bought it like this. The entire belly pan was rotten through, and you can see just how rotten here. See how the holes are coming through. This would have gotten filled full of snow. So now we can actually work in here.
36¼ inches. So, we know what that is.
And from the ground level, you can see just how they had to cut everything out, but managed to get over there and over here and all that chunk in between. And I'll go and get a quick video of the thing that came out of here. This still needs to be pounded out, repaired, or removed, I don't know. But this was probably going to be the biggest task for this Bombardier, but like I said, Dad got it done in 1 day. Well, the removal of. They still got to cut the new 1/8 gauge steel and weld it in. So this is what came out. This would have been towards the front. There would have been the diff, wherever that is, probably underneath the transmission. But this is the garbage that came out. So, and it didn't, if you notice, it didn't even actually go the whole way before. So the customer just would have had a whole pile of snow in the cab of the Bombardier. Was it easy cutting there, Coop, or hard?
Wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Once you get going, it goes pretty good.
So what I figured might be a 4-day job turned into 1 for removal. Dad's probably got another day or 2 ahead of him for replacement. But
See, this was all patches too.
yeah.
See all the welds in there? And then the differential has to fit in there. So after you weld it in, you just can't take a sledgehammer and smash this in. You have to make a pot for the diff to sit in.
So
Damn farmers.
fun with Bombardiers.